Hi everybody, how you doing today? Here in Southern Illinois, we're in the middle of a big heat wave, and this is supposed to break tonight, so cross fingers that it breaks, because it's been miserable here. Anyway, this week, and part of last week, I've been canning up all of our stuff, and I'm going to take you on a quick video real quick and show you just how much I've done and what I've done. So, let's get at it. Hey guys, I thought I'd bring you in my kitchen and show you the mess I've made. I've been canning up the last couple of weeks, and I've just got jars everywhere, but I wanted to take you through a quick tour and show you what I've done. Right here, I've got 6 quarts of green beans and 2 pints of green beans. And I did these last night, and so the rings are still on them. I will take the rings off them after they sit up longer, but that's just part of my green beans that I did. And if I take you over here to the island, this is all spaghetti sauce. I think there's 40-something jars. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, not 40. 10. There's about 45, 50 jars of spaghetti sauce just right here. I know that's a lot of spaghetti sauce, but we're going to go visit my sister in Tennessee next weekend, so I'm going to take her a lot of these. Now, these are ready for me to put away, so I took the rings off of them, and I only lost 1 jar that didn't seal. It's in the refrigerator. We'll probably use it up here in the next couple of days, but that's a lot of spaghetti sauce. If I go over here, this is some zucchini that I dehydrated in the dehydrator. I got 4 jars of this. Now I did dehydrate some chives. I got like 3 jars around here somewhere, but I don't know where I put them. I got to find them so I can get them in storage. In this corner of my kitchen, I've got the extra jars and stuff I need to find room for. I do have a lot more spaghetti sauce over here. We go through a lot of that. Whole bottom crate down there is spaghetti sauce. Like I said, I'll be giving some of this away to my family and friends. These I made like 20 jars of bread and butter pickles. I've got some spear pickles. I got about 12 of those. Our cucumbers just went crazy this year, so instead of letting them go to waste, we gave a bunch of them away, but instead of letting the rest of them go to waste, I canned them up. Over here we got our homemade pizza sauce we use on homemade pizza. When you want to make a homemade pizza, you've got it ready. Underneath, I'm not going to pull anything out. I'll just see what I can do over here. Sorry about the mess. I've got to clean my house up after canning. Underneath, I have got 21 jars of tomato juice. We'll use that in soup and stuff, so I'm proud of that. But that's just one little corner. I'll take you to the back room and show you what we got back there. It's 2 for right now because, like I said, I've got to make room for it. Anyway, I did my first of my green beans, and then that's more pizza sauce. I need to label that. Green beans. We go through a lot of green beans in the winter. So, in here, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 quarts of blackberries for blackberry cobbler this winter. I didn't make any blackberry jelly this year because I had some left over from last year. And these 2 crates down here, that's where I've got more pickles and stuff. Pumpkin that I've had that I canned up. And there's a little peek up. There's bread and butter pickles, dill pickles, and more spear pickles. So we'll have enough pickles. I won't have to buy any. Sorry I didn't, but they're kind of taking the totes off to show you, but these totes get kind of heavy, and I just put them here, get them out of the way. So anyway, that's the beginning. I'm pretty proud of myself. And there's more canning to do. Don't get me wrong, I got probably some potatoes are getting ready to harvest. They're looking like they're ready to go. So we'll be harvesting those in a couple weeks, and I'll be canning some of those up after they cure. But anyway, that's it for now. Let me know what you think. Like I said, very quick video on what I've been doing the last few days. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe button down below. And leave me a comment, okay? I really appreciate it. Thank you, and have a great day.